Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Trello boards for Agile project tracking step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Trello account. If you're new to Trello, create an account by visiting their website. Once logged in, click on the Create New Board option on your dashboard. Choose a name for your board that reflects your project. Select a background color or image to make your board visually appealing. Set your board's visibility to either private, workspace visible, or public based on your needs. Next, you will create lists for your project workflow. Start with 3 primary lists: to do, in progress, and done. To create a list, click on the Add a List option and type your list name. After creating your lists, it's time to add cards for tasks. Click on the Add a Card option under the to-do list. Enter a descriptive title for each task. Once added, click on the card to open it and add more details. In each card, you can set due dates, assign team members, and add attachments. To prioritize tasks, drag and drop cards within the to-do list. As work begins, move cards to the in progress list. When tasks are completed, move them to the done list. Consider using labels to categorize tasks based on their type or urgency. Add checklists within cards to track smaller subtasks. Utilize comments to communicate with team members directly on each card. Regularly review the board to ensure tasks are progressing as planned. Use Trello's automation features to streamline repetitive tasks. Explore Power UPS for additional functionalities such as calendar views or reporting tools. Invite team members to collaborate by sharing the board link. Foster a routine for team check-ins to update progress on tasks. With these steps, your Trello board will be set up for effective Agile project tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.